Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with no time whatsoever and a pair of glasses. So I'm going to just try and get rid of some paint I had left over from earlier in the day. And I think I want an edge catcher. Edge catchers are just the plastic inserts. When it's not 100 degrees, they don't stick together quite as badly. But I'm going to let that go that way. And I'm going to let it go this way. I'm going to let it go that way. It's very hot out here, so I guess more is better until it cools down. I'm just going to let that go all the way over. Because I want a nice thick layer. Don't ask me why. I'm going to rock it so it covers the edge. Let it slide back again. It doesn't matter if it's uneven. Same thing with that one. Not sure what I'm going to do yet. I have some vague ideas. Oops. Some of which include dripping the paint over the edge of the canvas to cover it. Accidentally on purpose. I'm going over on this end, where that black paint is obviously warmer. Find that edge catcher I just put down. Oh, I got some paint on stuff. Let everything run down again and catch it as best I can. Come on, all the way down and then back again. I'm going to wipe it right off. I'm going to wipe off that other paint. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to put some in there. Because I can, sort of thing, like the book, my book, on the Amazon link below the video. Let's move this over here. Who knows exactly what's going to happen now, but I have a basting brush and I have leftover paint and I haven't completely filled that canvas full of paint. So I am going to take this paint and use it. I'll let that flow right over the edge. Maybe. Yes? No? I'm going to take all of that paint. Truly accidental art. Well, sort of. I'm going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. My number 1 is the square tip. Let all that paint go and throw my shovel in the bucket. Because if I need it, I have other shovels. And if I need it, I have other paint too. I almost put it away. I'm going to put that in the bucket. I am going to take yesterday's paint, which is looking pretty crummy, and throw some gold in there. And some of my favorite purple. Oh, I think a little bit of that Prussian blue by any maker. And grab another shovel. Try and fill in my spots without dribbling straight lines across anything again, please. Strictly an experiment I've been wanting to make. Perfect excuse, had plenty of paint left over, did not want to waste it, and I also like to be able to rescue my, there I did it again, darn. Okay, so nothing but beautiful paint between me and this quickie. And into the bucket. Everything goes in the bucket. Now, I want to go, where's my edge catcher? Let's go with the flow. Let's let all that go down there. I see that big lump. And then let's let it go back again, keeping our eye out for big lumps and little bubbles. And I am going to do the same thing again, hoping to keep some of my cool, weird patterns in the center. And I'll let all that spread that way. And then come back again. I want that white spot. I should have just stuck my finger in that white spot. That is exactly what I should have done, instead of letting all the paint pour down. But I'm here now, and I haven't decided that I'm not going to stick a silicone basting brush in there yet either. I am going to take my OXO omelet turning spatula and take the paint that's left and cover whatever I can see that doesn't have something on it, and then I'm going to throw that in the bucket too. And then I'm going to play willy-nilly with my bamboo skewer. Oh, I just destroyed some really pretty cells. Darn. But everybody deserves to just have a wanton moment, and this is my wanton moment. I was wanting to use up that paint, and I really just, I love black and white, and I love agitating the paint, and I really want to just go right there. And even though I say I like black and white, I want to do this too. Let's just drag that right up through there. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon, like, I don't like that. I want some white there. Actually, let's just... Somebody's upset. Somebody's very upset. Listen! That's not cool. I think I'm going to throw a little bit of this in there because I can. It's Prussian blue. That's my dog. He says something's happened without me and I want to be part of it. I kind of like that gold up there. Kind of like it down here too. Got some wicked cells. I haven't used my torch today. Evidently my husband didn't get that I was making a recording, or he would have helped the dog to get where he wants to be. I think where he wants to be is out rabbit hunting. There. I think I'm done. It is what it is and I like it. I've used up my paint. I finished my recording. If you guys want to help me out, please give me a thumbs up and watch more videos. It tells the YouTube algorithm where to place me. There's shopping to be had. You can find my my merchandise on my Facebook pages if you hit shop more. That'll bring you to Pixels or Fine Art America. We torch to release the bubbles in the paint and to release patterns in the paint sometimes, like those. When paint is agitated with pouring medium in, like I have GAC 800 to keep all of my paints. I have it already mixed in them to keep them from cracking. And after that, you can find the rest of my pouring recipe underneath the video. And I'm going to take anything I see off my tile and hit my edges. Most of my edges are hit already, but in case they're not, I seem to have plenty of paint all over everything, everywhere, and that's okay, because that was a hit and run, hit and run artwork, and I like it. I don't know if you guys like it too, but I like it. That right there, yeah, better. Kind of think the same thing needs to happen to that one. So I have PayPal and Patreon. If you want to join this month's contest, you can. by donating to keep the studio rolling. Thank you to everybody who has done so far. And you can see on the end screens in the last 20 seconds of this video what this month's prizes are. I think that there is a video there that is 10 by 20. I like everything except for that color red, and I wanted some orange in there. So, do I want anything else in there before I'm gone? Maybe. Since I'm here and I'm about to clean up my whole studio. Little pink never hurt anybody. Matter of fact, I love this. Is an Art Mines. You can pick up at Michael's, and I think it's fabulous. I recommend grabbing some of that. Okay, so what else have I forgotten? Probably all kinds of stuff. And there's my crib sheet, and I will tell you, oh, there's nothing on it. Just check out some more videos if you want to be of assistance to me. It is of great assistance to me when you guys watch longer and more with my monthly income. I do sell my artwork. I give classes at the Spring Hill Studio in Florida, and you can communicate with me or ask me questions if you need to through YouTube communications. I'll give you an email if it requires that. Sorry about my mess. I love you guys. There's over 66,000 of you as of today, and this is a really neat painting, and I don't mind at all that it came out that way. I like it. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you soon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, phew, at least I didn't waste my paint today. I hate wasting paint. Really, 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 really. Yeah, maybe you can see the whole thing now. Okay. Bye now. Love you.